Crazy weather today. Welcome to Plein Adventures of Tez. Today I can't bring you a painting because it's blowing a gale and my easel might blow away. I'll just show you here how windy it is. You look at these palm trees up here. I'm sure if I set up my easel it would blow away. So let's take a look. I'm at a beautiful beach called Lobster Beach, north of Sydney. And the weather is crazy. Over there, there's a beach over there. It's called Yamina Beach. And there's a stack of surfers over there and they're enjoying the time with the wild weather to surf. What I do like here, and I will come back to this beach, is I like the rocks against the water over here. Really beautiful. I think that will make a great painting. But unfortunately, I can't set up. I will lose everything. It will blow away. So anyway, stay tuned. Got some good videos coming up. I'll be shooting some good videos once the weather clears up at these beautiful spots. And hang in there. Happy painting. Catch you in the next one.